What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Yes reaction video. So today we're going to be checking out Endless Dreams by Yes. So without further ado, let's just jump into it. Starting off with the piano intro. Okay. I don't know, there's some majestic feeling to that guitar sound. Hey, hey. That is some nasty drumming, man. Okay. Wow, that was some nasty drumming, man. Just a raw drumming power in there. And this album is this song is from an album called Talk from 1994. So we jumped like 20 years, I think. So far we've been listening to the lyrics are like distance and in a low volume. That is some beautiful melody, man. Inside of yourself, right? Inside of your own mind. This piano is beautiful, man. It's just amazing.
It's the last time telling myself everything.
It has a hopeful undertone.
Then bring me back again. It's the last chance telling myself
Why is the volume so low?
your forever is mine and all I need. Now life coming out in your arms. All I really need is you
By my side.
I'll sing this for you.
I told you there's a hopeful undertone to this, man. It uplifts you. What are those effects? Man, I tell you, drumming in this song is like thunder, like boom, boom. How much you pay? Oh. Okay. It's beautiful. I like that drum in there, man. Justify this love. Screams and tears never justify this love. Like creating a very like, yeah, kind of sounds like something bad is going to happen. Kind of like that, kind of like humming sound that is beneath all these levels and layers of sounds. It's like yeah, it has certainly a very like something is about to go down vibe. Come on. Hey! He's killing it on the drums, man. I love the sound of that instrumental, man. There's something oddly satisfying about this, man, about how it sounds. It's so beautiful the way he sings. Wow. That's kind of true. Wow. Man, I tell you, it's like an epic, uplifting song. He has such a majestic tone to the guitar sound, man. And a hopeful undertone to this whole song. Hey, okay. Okay. Oh, this is giving me goosebumps, man. Yeah. Dare I say, this song is probably the most beautiful Yes song I've ever heard so far. So far into the Yes journey, probably the most beautiful and easily one of my favorites Yes song, man. I don't know, like the way they sing, especially that ending section. That ending section with the choir. It's like it kind of reminds me of the heaven ascending to heaven meme, heavenly choir meme. Like honestly, that part, that ending section is so beautiful. You feel like you ascend into, like, this whole song is a journey and an experience, and at the end, you like ascend into heaven. That's kind of very satisfying, and also, let's not forget the drummer went crazy, and that raw thundering sound of the drum is just incredible. And he also played some cool part in the middle of the song. I think towards the middle of the song, it's just that drum groove is such an oddly satisfying thing to listen to, man. And if you're talking about the lyrics, I think there's this Buddhist teaching that if you need to solve the problems within yourself or the problems of the universe, and like answer to any question, basically, it's not out there, it's within you. You know, it's inside of you. All you have to do is find it and discover yourself. You discover it for yourself, because like he said, it can search you inside. So take your time, look around and see. You might just be where you meant to be. You know, you just have to open your eyes a bit and be accepting of the situation more, rather than complaining about what you could have done, what place you could have been. Instead, if you just open your eyes a bit, and see the things in a better perspective, or with an open mind, that's better. I think that's better to say, to view your situation with an open mind. You will see you're in there exactly place you're meant to be, and you can work on from there onwards without complaining about what could have been. So basically saying, for the answers in this world, they're within you, they're within each one of us, and we only have to discover it on your own. No one can do that for you. You have to discover it for yourself, man. And also, man, we get some crazy guitars going on. I just love that majestic sounding guitar tone of that. I mean, everybody was killing it. John Anderson killing it on the vocals, man. His voice is so beautiful. It's like he's one of those voices, like you feel ease and soothing and calming when you listen to him. You feel relaxed once you listen to him. He's one of those amazing singers with that kind of magical power, you know what I'm saying? I got, like I said, we got some crazy guitars, some crazy thundering drums, man. I have to say, this is absolutely one of the most beautiful Yes songs ever. And yeah, that was my reaction to Endless Dream by Yes. And also, a big thank you for you guys, because you guys suggested me to check this song out. So thank you guys for all the love and support on all these Yes reactions. And as always, a big shout out for the amazing members of our little Patreon family for supporting the channel and helping us discover awesome music just like this. And make sure to comment down your thoughts regarding this song and let me know what Yes song we shall be checking next. I'll catch you guys the next little day. Peace.